Welcome to Natural Living Guide. Ready to challenge yourself and see what happens when you quit sugar for 14 days? Let's talk about transforming your health. We're going to focus on one change with big results. It's time to say goodbye to sugar. You can do this. We'll work together to make it happen. Get ready for more energy and a healthier you. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making a positive choice. Quitting sugar is a gift to your body. You deserve to feel amazing. In this video, we'll explore the unexpected and amazing health benefits that come from cutting sugar out of your diet. Let's dive into the transformation you can expect. Sugar is sneaky. It's not just in the obvious places like desserts and candies. It lurks in foods you wouldn't expect, like bread, sauces, and even salad dressings. It hides in so many foods. When you stroll through the grocery store, it's easy to overlook the hidden sugars in everyday items. Reading food labels can be an eye-opener. We often consume more than we realize. A quick snack here, a sugary drink there, and it all adds up. Without even noticing, we're consuming far more sugar than we should. This excess sugar has consequences. It's not just about the extra calories. It affects our bodies in profound ways, leading to various health issues. It can lead to weight gain and other problems. Excess sugar is stored as fat, contributing to obesity and related health concerns. Think about your energy levels. Do you find yourself feeling sluggish or needing a pick-me-up in the afternoon? Do you experience crashes throughout the day? These energy dips can often be traced back to sugar consumption. Sugar could be the culprit. It provides a quick energy boost, but it's followed by a crash that leaves you feeling worse. It can also impact your mood and mental clarity. High sugar intake is linked to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Over time, excess sugar can increase the risk of serious health conditions. It's not just about weight, it's about overall well-being. These include type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The long-term effects of high sugar consumption are severe and life-threatening. We need to be mindful of our sugar intake. By paying attention to what we eat, we can make healthier choices. Our bodies are designed to thrive on whole, natural foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide the nutrients we need without the harmful effects of added sugars. Sugar throws things out of balance. It disrupts our metabolism and can lead to a host of health issues. It's time to reclaim our health. By reducing sugar intake, we can improve our energy levels, mood, and overall health. Let's break free from sugar's grip. Make a commitment today to choose healthier options and take control of your well-being. Imagine feeling energized throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps or feeling drained after meals. Picture your clothes fitting better. You'll notice a difference in how you look and feel, boosting your confidence. These are just some of the benefits of quitting sugar. By choosing fresh produce and cooking healthy meals, you're making a positive change. Your body will thank you. Engaging in activities like yoga and hiking becomes more enjoyable as your energy levels stabilize. When you reduce sugar, you'll experience a boost in energy. This newfound energy can be channeled into productive and enjoyable activities. This is because sugar can cause energy spikes and crashes. These fluctuations can leave you feeling tired and irritable. Without sugar, your body will have more stable energy levels. You'll find it easier to stay active and maintain a consistent exercise routine. This means you'll feel more focused and alert. Your productivity at work or school will improve, and you'll be able to concentrate better. You'll also sleep better at night. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, and reducing sugar can help you achieve it. Quitting sugar can also help you lose weight. Sugar is empty calories that contribute to weight gain without providing any nutritional benefits. It doesn't provide any nutritional value. By cutting out sugary snacks, you're making room for more nutritious options. By eliminating sugar, you're cutting out unnecessary calories. Opting for water instead of soda and choosing salads over sugary treats can make a big difference. This can lead to weight loss, especially belly fat. You'll see noticeable changes in your body composition and overall health. A sugar-free life is a healthier life. Embrace the benefits and enjoy a happier, more vibrant you. Let's be real, the first 2 weeks can be tough. You might experience withdrawal symptoms. These are normal. Your body is adjusting. Headaches and fatigue are common. You might also feel irritable or crave sugar. Don't worry, these symptoms are temporary. They usually subside within a few days. It's important to stay hydrated during this time. Drink plenty of water. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. These will provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions of people have successfully quit sugar. You can do it too. Focus on the positive changes you're experiencing. Celebrate your successes along the way. Conquering cravings, practical tips for quitting sugar. Ready to ditch the sugar? Let's make it easy. Quitting sugar can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can make it manageable and even enjoyable. Start by reading food labels. This is crucial because sugar hides in many foods you wouldn't expect. Sugar hides in many processed foods. From sauces to bread, it's everywhere. Pay attention to added sugars. These are the sugars that are added during processing and are often the culprits behind sugar cravings. Choose whole foods whenever possible. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains are naturally low in sugar and high in nutrients. Fruits and vegetables are naturally sweet. They're packed with nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy and energized. Swap sugary drinks for water. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest sources of added sugars in our diet. Add slices of lemon or cucumber for flavor. This can make drinking water more enjoyable and help you stay hydrated. Plan your meals and snacks in advance. This will help you avoid the temptation of sugary snacks when you're hungry. This will help you avoid impulsive choices. Having a plan makes it easier to stick to your goals. Keep healthy snacks on hand. When you have healthy options readily available, you're less likely to reach for sugary treats. Nuts, seeds, and hard-boiled eggs are great options. They're nutritious and can help keep you full between meals. Remember, it's okay to have a treat occasionally. Depriving yourself completely can lead to binge eating. Just be mindful of your choices. Balance is key to maintaining a healthy diet. Choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. It's lower in sugar and can satisfy your sweet tooth. Enjoy a small serving of fruit salad with plain yogurt. It's a delicious and healthy way to satisfy your cravings for something sweet. Sweet victories, short-term rewards of reduced sugar intake. Within just 2 weeks, you'll start to see amazing changes. Your energy levels will soar. Say goodbye to those afternoon slumps. You'll feel more alert and focused. Your skin will start to glow. Sugar can contribute to inflammation and breakouts. Reducing sugar will give your skin a healthy radiance. You'll also notice a difference in your waistline. Cutting out sugary drinks and snacks can lead to weight loss. This is especially true for belly fat. You'll feel lighter and more comfortable in your clothes. These short-term wins are just the beginning. Imagine the long-term benefits of a sugar-free life. Maintaining momentum strategies for long-term success. Congratulations on making it through the first 2 weeks. Now let's talk about long-term success. The key is to make sustainable changes. This isn't about deprivation. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Continue reading food labels and choosing whole foods. Make cooking at home a priority. This way, you control the ingredients. Find healthy ways to manage stress. Stress can trigger sugar cravings. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps balance blood sugar levels. It also boosts your mood and energy. Surround yourself with support. Share your journey with friends and family. Join a support group. Together, you can achieve your goals. Beyond the plate holistic approaches for sugar management. Reducing sugar intake is a great first step, but there's more we can do. Let's explore holistic approaches. These will further support your journey. Getting enough sleep is crucial. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies crave sugar. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Managing stress is also important. Stress can lead to sugar cravings. Find healthy ways to de-stress. Exercise, meditation, and spending time in nature can help. Consider incorporating herbs and spices that help regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger are great options. Remember, it's about making gradual changes that you can maintain over time. Listen to your body. Recognizing and addressing individual needs. Every individual is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you experience any negative symptoms after consuming sugar, it's best to avoid it. Consult with a registered dietitian or a certified nutritionist. They can help you create a personalized meal plan. This plan will address your specific needs and goals. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. A lifetime of wellness. Embracing a balanced and sugar-conscious lifestyle. Quitting sugar isn't a temporary fix. It's about embracing a lifestyle change. This means making conscious choices every day. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Enjoy treats in moderation. Remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. Just be mindful of your choices. Make physical activity a part of your routine. Find activities you enjoy and make them a habit. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your journey with loved ones. Celebrate your successes together. Embracing a balanced and sugar-conscious lifestyle is a lifelong commitment to your health and well-being. Your journey starts today. Take charge of your health. You've got this. Take the first step towards a healthier, sugar-free you. It's time to reclaim your health and vitality. Start by eliminating sugary drinks. Then focus on reducing processed foods. Embrace whole, unprocessed foods. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions of people have successfully quit sugar and transformed their lives. You can do it too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Living Guide for more tips on living a healthy, natural lifestyle. Stay strong, and see you in the next video. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, particularly if you have underlying health conditions.